Huh? I talked it loud.
Yeah, it's hearing you talk and it's putting it into the video.
Hi. It
It
can't see me.
can't see, you can only hear you
Why?
because it's a microphone. So we got a package. This is from our lovely friend Melissa Martin at Melissa Martin Art. She sent us a surprise package. Do you want to see what's inside?
Yeah.
All right, let's open it.
Maybe a brand new leaf blower.
Do you think a leaf blower would fit in here?
No. Maybe.
Well, I don't think it's a leaf blower. And it's something for mommy. So maybe some art supplies?
Huh? That's not it.
So it looks like a box. Can you rip off the ripper? Rip it, rip it, rip it. Whoa! What is this? Hold on. Ooh! It is some art supplies. Hold on, let's read our note. Aw, that's a very nice note from Melissa. And on the back is a super cool painting. Wow, that's nice. Look how much texture it has. You want to touch it?
It feels weird.
Yeah, it's kind of bumpy.
And a little soft.
Mm-hmm.
And a little rough.
And a little rough, that's right. All right, let's get this paper out of the way and let's see what we got. So these look like oil pastels. They're kind of like crayons, but softer.
Why aren't they softer?
Oh, because it's the type of material that they're made out of. Here, let's get a piece of paper so we can try them out.
What is this foam for?
Can you peel this up? Right here. Thank you. So helpful. Best little studio assistant mommy could ask for. What about that one? Thank you. Let's open it.
Foam. I
Whoa.
like foam.
You like the foam?
Yeah.
Like a little cat. Well, I like the art supplies. Ooh, let's try some of these out. Which color is mommy's favorite, you think?
Orange.
Orange. I think you're right. So it looks like this is a full set that's been cut in half. That's cool.
It broke.
No, it didn't break. It's in half.
Oh.
Whoa. Ooh, they're so soft. You want to try it? Just be gentle. Pretty.
It's like
Yeah, it's kind of like paint. Let's put another color.
It's like pink.
And then we can mix them together. How about this one?
Pink.
Can you rub your fingers right there? Yeah. Ooh, they're very soft. See how the colors mix together? And now it's on your hand. Here, you can use some tissue paper. Pretty cool. Can you say thank you, Melissa?
Thank you.
Those are very cool and very soft. Definitely much softer than the ones that I have. I have this box. Hold on. We're going to look at that in a second. Of oil pastels that I got at a thrift or at a estate sale. But the oil pastels themselves are just awful. So I'm probably just going to toss these or give them to, yeah, it broke. Give them to my son. Yeah, you can still use them. And maybe I'll put these in here so that I can take them on plein air. I think that would be fun. All right, let's see what else we got. Where are you going? Studio assistant, come back. All right, we lost my studio assistant, but that's all right. The other thing that Melissa sent is this cool thing. I love the colors. got a little orange zipper, a little pouch in there. Got some stickers. Thank you, Melissa. This is nice. Very cool. I'm betting that sketchbook would fit in here. And then I can put whatever pens and stuff that I use for the sketchbook in that. That is perfect. I'm always worried about this thing getting like beat up or dirty. So it's pretty nice that that fits in there so good. I love the little details. Very cool. That's awesome, Melissa. This was so unexpected and I so appreciate it. Thank you for thinking of me and for sharing your oil pastels and for making this cool pouch. So I'm really excited about taking this thing out and about and keeping my little sketchbook safe. Thank you so much, Melissa. This was, again, so unexpected, and I'm so grateful. Like I mentioned, got this cute little oil pastel set at a thrift shop, but the oil pastels that were inside of them were, I mean, probably good at the time, but now not so great. They're very hard, very scratchy, which for me is like a sensory nightmare. So I dumped all of those out. I'm going to let my son play with those. And I put most of the oil pastels from this box into this little case. So you can see, ta-da, whoops, some of them stuck. They're very soft, like incredibly soft. So not super surprised that they stuck like that. But that being said, they are absolutely luscious. I'm like so excited about these. I put them in this box because I really want to take them like on plein air. I think that that would be super fun to take out some oil pastels and do like a little landscape or something. So perfect little case for them. It's so freaking cute. It's got like a little handle and it keeps them very secure, albeit sticky. I probably should put some like parchment paper or something kind of on the top of this so that they don't stick to it. That'd probably be a good idea, actually. But anyways, yeah, they fit really nicely in here. I like the fact that this little case has a separate section down here that I'm going to be using for all the like whites and very light grays, and then like black over here. But that'll keep these a little clean, and yeah, and then all the other colors are just fine in the rest of it. So exciting. I saw your video about them and have really been wanting some because I thought that they looked so creamy, and sure enough, they absolutely are. So I will make a video about my little plein air or on plein air adventures, and yeah, I'm just really grateful that you shared these with me. Thank you so much, Melissa. I decided to dip out of work a little early so that I could just go and do some sketching. I am outside, so sorry about the noise, but I thought I'd take this time to show you my little setup. So this is the pouch that I got from Melissa. I'll show you what I've got inside. So in this little pocket in the front, I've got my little palette, which is from Olinda. I feel very blessed. And then inside, oh, and there's a pencil sharpener in here. I'm not even gonna take it out. Just trust me. And then I've got some Derwent pencils, Derwent Inktense pencils in here. And then all of my usual drawing and painting supplies. This is like a little pretty condensed version of what I usually take out with me, but pretty much all I need. And then in the back, I've got my little daily journal. So let's just do a little bit of drawing. I'll put you on time-lapse mode. I'm actually kind of behind. So there's the little drawings that I made. We've got art hang party later today, and that'll probably fill up some of this and whatever happens when I get home. So yeah, it's a little fun setup. I'm glad that I have this as an option now, because I feel like it definitely kind of fills a gap between my really big art bag and one that's just a little bit too small. I like how accessible everything is. I can see all the colors that I have and all the items, and it really is a great little bag. So I don't know if she has more of these for sale on her shop, but definitely check out her shop either way at Melissa Martin Art. Thanks again, Melissa, for sending me such a cool little bag. I really love it, and I know I'm going to get a ton of use out of it. So I'll leave it at that. Hopefully this audio is not too terrible, and I will catch you guys on the next video.